Have you ever dreamt of a car that feels like more than just metal and machinery? A car that becomes an extension of your personality, an embodiment of your desires? Well, buckle up, because today, we're about to introduce you the 10 cars that not only meet those dreams, but shatter them, leaving drivers in awe and craving for more. Today, we're not here to talk about lemons or the mundane. Instead, we're diving headfirst into a world where cars not only meet expectations, but exceed them in ways you never thought possible. And where do we get our insider information? None other than the hallowed halls of Consumer Reports, armed with over 300,000 survey responses for the 2022 model year sedans, SUVs, and pickup trucks. Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange, where we're about to reveal the 10 cars that have left their owners grinning from ear to ear, the 10 cars that have surpassed expectations, and the 10 cars you might just want to consider for your next joyride. But before we buckle up and hit the road, do us a favor. If you're as passionate about cars as we are, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss a single automotive revelation. Welcome to the High Octane Countdown. Picture this. You're cruising down the highway with wind in your hair and a grin from ear to ear. That's the feeling these remarkable cars deliver. And today, we're counting down the 10 cars that have left their owners head over heels, according to the folks over at Consumer Reports. Number 10. Dodge Challenger, the modern muscle icon. Buckle up for a blast from the past that's firmly planted in the present. The Dodge Challenger, a modern take on the 1970s muscle car, is all about performance and looks. It's like taking a time machine to the days of classic American muscle. And with updates over the years that include new engines, sleeker designs, and swanky interiors, it's no wonder that this icon has an 86% satisfaction score. Number 9. Mazda MX-5 Miata. Small car, big thrills. Meet the Mazda MX-5 Miata, a tiny roadster that packs a punch. While it may not boast the horsepower of a Corvette, it proves that there's more to a fun sports car than sheer power. With an 86% satisfaction score, it's clear that drivers adore its driving experience, value for money, and the peace of mind that comes with high reliability. Number 8. Toyota RAV4 Prime. Electrifying satisfaction. Electric vehicles are all the rage, and the Toyota RAV4 Prime leads the pack. With its impressive electric-only range and solid performance, it's no surprise that 87% of owners would gladly choose it again. This Prime hybrid isn't just prime in name, it's prime in owner satisfaction too. Number 7. Subaru BRZ and Toyota 86, twins of thrills. Double trouble? More like double the fun. The Subaru BRZ and Toyota 86 are a dynamic duo of sports cars. Sharing the same DNA, these beauties deliver in the power department with a 2.4-liter boxer engine that packs a punch. Owners can't get enough. With an 88% satisfaction rate, they're clearly smitten. Number 6. Hyundai Iconic 5. Charging into the future. Zooming into the electric vehicle market is the Hyundai Iconic 5, a true game-changer. With rapid charging, a spacious interior, and agile handling, it's electrifying in every sense. With an 88% satisfaction score, it's not just good for the planet, it's a hit with its owners too. Alright folks, we've just scratched the surface of these fantastic cars that are exceeding expectations. But now, let's take a pit stop and chat. Picture yourself in the driver's seat of one of these beauties. Which one gets your heart racing the most? Is it the Challenger's raw power? The Mazda MX-5 Miata's thrilling driving experience? Or maybe the Toyota RAV4 Prime's eco-friendly performance that's got your attention? So, with all these incredible options, which one would you pick for your dream ride? Drop your favorite in the comments, and let's keep this automotive conversation rolling as we count down to the number 1 car that's exceeding all expectations. Number 5. Ford Maverick Hybrid. Truckin' with a twist. In a world of hulking pickups, the Ford Maverick Hybrid says, "Hold my coffee." Blending the utility of a pickup with the efficiency of an economy car, it's the Swiss Army knife of trucks. Comfortable, tech-savvy, And economical, it's no wonder that it scores an 88% satisfaction rating. The Ford Maverick Hybrid's compact size makes it perfect for navigating tight city streets and parking in crowded areas. With its impressive fuel efficiency, drivers can save money at the pump without sacrificing power or capability. Number 4. Rivan R1T Electric Adrenaline Rush. If you think electric vehicles are all about saving the planet, think again. The Rivan R1T combines the thrill of a sports car with the ruggedness of a pickup truck. Crawling over boulders, towing like a champ, and accelerating like a supercar, it's an 88% satisfaction masterpiece. The Rivan R1T is not only a sustainable choice, but also a thrilling one. Its ability to crawl over boulders and tow heavy loads showcases its ruggedness, while its impressive acceleration makes it feel like a supercar. With an 88% satisfaction rate, it truly is a masterpiece of electric vehicle engineering. Number 3. Kia Terer Ride Rugged Elegance on Wheels. The Kia Terer Ride is the rugged SUV that doesn't compromise on style. With its powerful V6 engine and the ability to tackle rough terrain, it's a family-friendly adventure machine. Its owners agree. With an 88% satisfaction score, it's a rugged yet elegant ride that's hard to beat. Number 2. Porsche 911 The Timeless Icon. It's not just a car, it's a legend. The Porsche 911 has been turning heads for generations with its classic design and mind-blowing performance. It's no wonder that 90% of owners wouldn't trade it for the world. Sure, it might not be the cheapest, but when you're behind the wheel of a 911, you're driving a piece of automotive history. Number 1. Chevrolet Corvette The Ultimate Satisfaction. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The number 1 car that exceeds all expectations. Ladies and gentlemen, is none other than the Chevrolet Corvette. With a 94% satisfaction score, it's not just a car, it's a lifestyle. Fast, furious, and oozing American pride, the Corvette is the embodiment of automotive excellence. From 0 to 60 in a blistering 2.9 seconds, it's not just satisfying, it's exhilarating. The Corvette's sleek design and powerful engine make it a dream car for many enthusiasts. Its precision handling and advanced technology further enhance the driving experience, ensuring that every journey is unforgettable. Whether cruising down the open road or tearing up the track, the Chevrolet Corvette delivers an unparalleled level of satisfaction that sets it apart from all other cars in its class. There you have it, folks. The top 10 cars that go above and beyond, leaving their owners with memories and smiles that last a lifetime. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more automotive adventures. As we gear up to reveal the number 1 car that's smashing through expectations, I want to thank you all for joining us on this thrilling ride through the world of automotive excellence. But here's the deal, the journey doesn't end here. If you've enjoyed our countdown and want to stay in the fast lane with more exciting car content, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join our Car Computer Exchange family. Trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming up on this channel. Until next time, keep those engines running and those dreams in drive.